I'm trying to step up my makeup game. So I went to Sephora, and I gotta go to Ulta still too, but let me show you what I picked up at Sephora to up this makeup game, okay? I'm not gonna lie to you, I never wash my sponges and brushes. Dirty brush girl here. So I got the deep cleaning brush and sponge cleaner, daily brush cleaner spray. And then I got the Too Faced lip injection lip gloss in the color Paid Off. Ooh, I wish everything I had was paid off, just saying. Ooh, that's pretty. Let's see if I like this color. I really wanted a different color that they had, but they didn't have it in stock. I love plumping lip gloss. Oh, okay. This actually looks really nice. Tastes kind of fruity. Everyone raves about the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk. So I got the Pillow Talk lip kit. That's what I got. All right. I've been wanting to try a different foundation. I usually use L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear. So I got the Lancome. I guess it's mattifying, and I got it in shade 120. I heard really good things about this from even the people in the store too. And then I got the Born This Way matte foundation in the color Snow. Now I had used the Born This Way foundation before, not the matte one, but the original one, and I loved it. Except for then I look like a glazed donut by the end of the day. So I want to try the matte one. I hope I love it. I told y'all I was looking for a new setting powder. So I got the One Size translucent setting powder. They were raving about it in the store, and y'all have raved about it in my comments. So I got the Fenty Beauty Fussy Gloss Bomb Heat Luminizer Plumper Gloss. I don't know. It looked good, okay? So I got the Fenty Beauty Matte Contour Stick in the shade Amber, because we're going to try like the cream or liquid contours, bronzers, and blushes, because y'all told me to try it. I'm going to. I'm a powder girly because I'm an oily girl, but we're gonna give it a try. And then I got the One Size Cheek Clapper 3D Blush Trio. I got the pink shade. What is this? Attention Seeker. Woo, real pink. I wanted to try something real bright and pink. I got the Rare Beauty bronzer stick in the color Happy Soul. Don't have anything Rare Beauty, so I'm excited to try that. I got a new concealer. I got the Lancome All Over Concealer in the shade Ivory. So the girl in there said it was good. It will go with that foundation I got. I got Fluff Up Brow Wax from Benefit. I'm trying fluffy brows. I kind of did it today a little bit, but not like not that good. It's a work in progress, okay? I got the Natasha Denona Retro Palette. And then I got the Pretty Grunge Huda Beauty Palette. I'll show you these. Here's the Grunge palette. Is that not beautiful? Love those. Kind of give you, I think it said like a modern smoky eye. You know, I'm all about the smoky eye. And then this is the Natasha Denona palette. I have some pink shadows that I just bought. I bought the Morphe, it was like something flirty palette, and I really liked it, but it was like all pink, and I wanted more like burgundy shades, so you can see more burgundy colors, so that's why I picked up this one. We'll see if I like it or not. Those kind of colors just go really well with my green eyes, you know. And then I got the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow powder because I've been using eyeshadow when I use a powder on my brows. I know I'm branching out and doing fluffy brows, but I still need a powder on those days I feel like just doing powder. I got a few things for my hair, okay? My hair, she's work in progress, leave me alone. The Color Wow Dream Coat. I got the K18 Molecular Repair Hair Oil. And then I got the Moroccan Oil Weightless Hydrating Mask for my hair also. Okay, that was a Sephora haul. Now I have to run to Ulta. I'll show you what I get from Ulta, but I think I did pretty good. We're really branching out.